Hello guys, this is Kshitij and you're watching Technetium Dev. So in today's video, we are gonna unbox M4 Smart Bracelet, and this is a new series on our channel, which is the unboxing series. So please support us by liking this video. So let's get started. So this is the box of the M4 Smart Bracelet, and there are the features over the left and the right, and some normal features of the band behind the box, which is waterproof level, working time, display, and so on. So without wasting time, let's unbox the band. So let's open it. And this is the user manual, and the box, which we don't need, and this is the contents of the box: the watch, the strap, and the charger. So let us keep the charger aside, and even the strap aside, and let's take out the band. Let's keep the box aside. Yes, so this is the watch, and let's power it on for the first time. Oh, the display is so good. As you can see, the battery is not totally full, but yeah, I can work with it. So let's connect the band with our mobile. So this is the Fit Pro app, which connects with the band. So we go to set, bind devices, to bind a device to experience more features, and let's bind the device. Our mobile is searching for the band, so let's wait for the Bluetooth of the mobile to discover our band. So as you can see, there are two bands, and this is the other band which I bought, and this is the band which is this one. So I select the first one, and it tries to connect with this band, and just press the button once so that it confirms the connection. And let's wait for it to connect. So as you can see, the UI of the app is pretty good. Bluetooth based connection, time setting, user profile setting, target setting. As you can see, the time is not set, as the time now is 5:52 a.m. PM, and the time here is 12:06 a.m. as you can see, and there are many features in this band. So this is the heart rate sensor, this is the normal background, this is steps, where you can measure the steps, this is the heart rate, here you can measure the heart rate. The heart rate is not accurate, but still can be used. As you can see, my finger is over the heart rate sensor. So as you can see, it measured my blood pressure and stuff. And this is sports, where you can select running, skipping, sit up, any of these, and message. Where's the message? Here. And you can see the messages from your mobile in your band. And sleep, how much time did you sleep, you can see it over here. And weather, you can see the weather. I haven't paired it yet, so it shows 0 Celsius. And music, so you can connect to your mobile, and you can play music, not in the band, in the mobile, but you can control the music from your band. And there is more, in which there is camera, look for device, theme, reset, download the app, and switch off the band. So please note that this camera over here is to access the mobile's camera. So you can just simply see these are all the inbuilt features of the band. And let's see, if your band doesn't connect like mine, you can just simply try to connect it again. Here it is. As you can see, it started pairing the band. So synchronized data is complete. Now let's go to set. Here you can see there are many features. Here you can go to a bright screen where you can switch it on. So whenever you want to view your band, you can just simply just view it, and it switches on by its own. And you can set the start time and end time. In DND mode you don't get any messages, so you can just switch it on and off. Here there are alarms where you can set alarms from pressing the plus icon, and long sit reminder. If you sit for a long time and you want to warn yourself that you're setting too much, you can just simply set it from here. And there are features like find, which you can find your band. So if I press find, as you can see, the band is vibrating. So in this price range, I'll tell you the price at last. So in this price range, there is vibration and there is many more features which I'll cover now. And remote take photos, you can take photos as I have shown you. Message push, if you want any of these apps to the notification in your band, you can just on it. And there is the dial setting, the best feature. Here you can change the background of the band, and if you want, you can just click on change the dial and select a photo from your gallery to set it for your band. And you can just simply select a wallpaper like this, and I select this, it looks good, and I click synchronize dial. So as you can see, it is syncing with the band. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, the band is synchronized and the wallpaper is set, and it looks pretty cool if you can see it. And in the left side top corner, you can see if your band is connected with the mobile. You can view it from here. And there are many more features, like you can reset your device, and in other section you can just turn off or on your vibration setting in your band. And there is OTA upgrade, which is for your band's firmware and stuff. So let me talk about the band's price. The band's price is about 500 rupees, and this is a worth it product, and you can gift this band to any of your friends, and I am sure they will like it. And if you want to buy this band, you can simply click on the description link and buy from there. It's available on Amazon, and the packaging is pretty good, and I am pretty sure this band will be liked from most of the people. You can gift it to anyone, you can gift it to your friends, you can gift it to your close ones. It's a good choice. So if you want many more products like this, you can subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, so your friends get to know about this band. And you can buy the band from the description, as I said. And please like the video to appreciate our efforts. and subscribe our channel for more new videos about more tech stuff. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.